Hello YouTube, this is Random View Guy 1P5. This is how to make Lego Work Truck Part 5. Here's show you what pieces you need to make the last part of the truck, or the trailer. Then you need a 4x12 plate. And then you need a barricade piece. You need 4 1x1 small ones. You need a flat 1x2 pieces. And one of them you need 2 1x1 small with clamp thingy on them. You need needs a little wrench, air wrench, screwdriver, hammer, oil can. You need another wrench, and then you need another regular wrench with a crowbar at the end, an axe, and a saw. Okay, then you need a 6 1x4 flat pieces. You're gonna need 1 1x2 little slide thing, whatever. And one of them, whatever. Then you're gonna need 2 2x4 pieces. You're gonna need a 1x4 axle. You can find it in a couple of sets, but mostly you find it in the Lego helicopter transporter set. You need a 6 1x1 tall pieces. Gonna need 6 of these in the car, and then you're gonna need 2 1x1, or not 1, but 1x2. Sorry, 1x2 and 2 of them tall. You need 2 tires. And rims. Then need 4 1x1 tall clamp pieces. You're gonna need 3 1x4 pieces. Then you need some 2x3 tall pieces, little cabinet pieces. And you're gonna need extra pieces to put out there in the box. Need two of these little weird light things. You can put in stuff. I don't know what they are. Need 2 of them. Need 2 1x1 little cone pieces, or whatever. And you're gonna need 2 of these boxes. Need an antenna piece, 1x1 antenna piece, or whatever you want to call it. Need a 1x2 piece with a single stud on it. You're gonna need 2 of them. Need a 1x2 vent piece. Need 1 of them. You're gonna need a 1x1 flat piece. Gonna need one of them. Then you're gonna need one of these weird shaped bricks. No, it's technically a 4x2 pieces. Yeah, technically they are 4x2, whatever. You're gonna need a 1x2 clamp piece. The 2 clamps on it. Need 1x2 little rail piece. 3x1, I don't know. Looks like about a 3x1, I don't know. And then you're gonna need a 1x1 canister piece. No, canister piece. And then need one of them little faucet head. I need one of them. You're gonna need 2 1x2 clear orange pieces. Gonna need clear, 2 of them, clear 1x1 pieces. Yeah, red ones. And clear 1x1 studs. 2 of them. Okay. Let's see you in part 6. I'm gonna build this. Takes a couple minutes. Well, this is Random Video Guy 155. Sign up. See you later.